Hello, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. I think ang maganda kasi dito sa University Series, sa bawat libro, magkaka-merge talaga. So every season, may iba-ibang timeline, and each timeline natatackle yung bawat challenges ng bawat character. So I think kahit ang focus dito, mas makikilala natin si Sam at si Clyden, meron pa rin pasulput-sulput ng mga challenges ng mga Univercata. Ayun. Thank you po.
Alright, well said. Okay, so moving on now, that was Kate Adahar ng Random Republica. We have Angelica Villanueva of Manila Standard up next.
Hello, congratulations, Aubrey and Lance. One question na simple. Earlier you mentioned that opposite attracts. Do you believe that opposite attracts?
I do believe in opposites attracts. At the end of the day, as long as you guys know how to work out your relationship, or you guys coexist, not on like particular things, but on the main goal of your relationship, then yeah, I guess opposites do attract.
How about you?
For me, I'm not sure about that. Opposite talaga kami. Hindi, joke lang. I'm not sure kasi, well, hindi pa naman ako nagkaka-love life. Pero for me kasi, better if, like, you're same, you know, same, ganito, ganyan. You're not totally opposites. Yeah. Para ma-attract ka sa isang tao. For me lang ha, parang na-feel ko na, oh, if we're the same on this, ganito, ganyan, ganitong trip, ganyan, dun ako na-attract. Yeah. Pero we'll see. Joke.
With that, sorry, pahabol question. So far, what have you learned with ano yung mga nalaman niyo sa isa't isa? Thank you.
Actually, a lot. I mean, it's too many to mention, but like at the top of my head, what I learned about Aubrey is really how to make her comfortable talaga. Because as we all know, in this book, there are gonna be some intimate scenes and the likes. So I'm just really doing my best to make sure that she's comfy with me. Kasi, yun nga, never pa siya nagka-love life, never pa siya nagka-boyfriend. And ako, I had those experiences already. So I'm just really trying my best to make sure that she's comfy with me.
Ako naman, siguro natutunan ko sa kanya. Lagi niya sinasabi sa akin na valid yung feelings ko. Di kasi ako yung tao na, Di ako yung tao na, well, kakashare ko lang to with you guys. Hindi ako ma-share with my problems, with anything, with my feelings, kasi nahihiya ako. Nahihiya ako na, kunwari sa problems ko, I don't want to be a burden, you know, to my friends. Alam ko kasi, parang gusto ko lang kasi magbigay lagi ng happiness to everyone. Kahit na I'm struggling, I'm always smiling, I'm always laughing, pero I'm really struggling. Ayun, so natutunan ko na parang valid yung feelings ko, lahat pwede kong sabihin sa kanya, if I'm mad at him, naiinis ako, ganon, valid yun, tinatanggap niya yun. Ayun, yun na.
Thank you, Angelica Villanueva of Manila Standard. Up next is Dolly Ann Carvajal ng Philstar.
My question for the girls, since the series is about arranged marriage, anong dream marriage proposal niyo? Ano lang, katuwaan niyo?
Paparinig na.
Just for fun.
Krisha yung first.
I've never really thought about it before. Paano mo ba gagawin?
Joke lang!
Hindi ko alam. Wala akong ano. Nanlamig siya. Sabi niya, uy, lumamig yung kape. Hindi, joke lang yun, guys.
Ikaw pala magpapapose.
Hindi ko alam. Kasi, I've never really thought about it. Pero siguro, something na alam ko na in a
pinag-effortan ng isang tao, nung magpropose sa akin. Like something that bakit ang hirap ng question? Sige. Siguro sa isa sa mga dream destinations ko, ganun. Like Switzerland or Iceland, yeah, ganun. Yun, tapos bahala na siya, like, ayokong sabihin kasi malalaman na niya. Charot. Hindi, something like that. Basta genuine and alam kong pinagplanuhan and talagang detail by detail na talagang yung mapapa-oo ka talaga.
Ako po, syempre, something intimate and sincere. Naramdam mo talaga yung sincerity ng tao. And for me, it's not about the grandness, pero siguro iba pa rin yung feeling kapag pinag-effortan. And that feels intimate and sincere. I think yun yung pinaka-importante, Tita Tolly, na ramdam mo talaga yung gustong sabihin nung... Opo. Thank you po.
Ako po, hindi po ako masyado naghahangad ng malaki. Parehas sa ata kami ni Bea. I feel like there's never really a dream proposal. It's more of, you'll feel it kung nasa tamang tao, I guess. So, ayun po. So, I don't really have a dream role. Maybe, sana may dream partner, tapos mafe-feel mo na lang eventually kung nasa tama. Kahit simpleng lugar, kayong dalawa lang or hindi, yun lang po.
Wait, how do I answer this? I mean, I guess either in a place that is intimate and means a lot to me and whoever, you know, I end up being with. But I do remember, I was such a hopeless romantic as a little girl, and I would daydream all the time about this stuff. And I remember around in like middle school, I told my best friend, you know, in the future when I meet my future husband or whatever partner, make sure that they know that I want to be proposed in like somewhere where like we could travel somewhere nice, you know? It's one of my dream destinations then. And then I would love it to be with nature, for example, maybe a beach, and then I would like a beautiful sunset and stuff like that. But yeah, basta it means something, it's intimate, it's genuine, it's not just very materialistic.
Mahal, ikwento mo na sa kanila paano.
Propose na?
Sunod lang. Pero...
Play VDR.
Desisyon. Ako, anywhere naman. Kahit nga sa tapat ng Thai restaurant, okay lang. Pero, hindi natin ibibigay kay Mark yung mic. Pero, ang dream...
Hindi, ganito kasi yan. May nangyari kasi kaya na-mention niya sa Thai restaurant. Just trust me, man. Trust me. So, ganito yung nangyari. Bale, diba, there was this one night na kumakain lang kami sa Thai restaurant sa Makati. And then, nag-usap lang kami after gym, after boxing. Tapos, nag-usap lang kami. Tapos sabi ko, mahal, paano kapag hindi ako yumaman? Paano kapag hindi kita kayang suportahan one day? Paano kapag hindi matutupad yung mga pangarap natin? Kung sakto lang yung kita ko at hindi ko makuha yung magandang ring or basta magandang sing-sing, kahit ganito ba i-accept mo? Tapos kinuha ko yung banana leaf doon sa Thai food. tas tinay ko, sabi ko, tatanggapin mo ba to for the meantime? Tapos isusunod ko na lang pa. Sabi niya, ang sabi mo?
Oo.
So yun, doon ko nalaman na siya na nga pala.
Ang hirap sundan. Hindi ako, siguro same with Haya, specific na lang. Dream ko talaga kasi gusto ko yung mga overlooking view. So parang kung if ever doon man, sana doon. Kasi unexpected eh. Kunwari, pumunta ka sa overlooking view, hindi mo naman expect na magpo-propose yung isang tao doon. So, ayun. Yun pala, dream lang naman siya, pero baka magbago in the future. Thank you.
Akin siguro something genuine, intimate, and sincere. And, ayun, yun lang. Very straightforward. Yun lang.
Right. Thank you. That was Dolly Ann Carvajal with her question from Philstar. Next up, we have Paolo Caniamo, isang TikTok content creator.
Hi guys, congratulations.